Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to search for a specific message on WhatsApp. So to do that, first you need to open your Play Store or any store application on your cell phone. Then update WhatsApp. Then open your WhatsApp application. And in here you can see all the messages on WhatsApp. So to search for a specific message on WhatsApp, just click the search bar or search icon at the upper right corner and search for a specific message that you can remember but you don't know how to search it manually on WhatsApp. So example, I'm gonna search hello and all of the messages that has a hello will be pop up on WhatsApp. So that's how to search for a specific message on WhatsApp. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.